Hello, today I'm going to show you how to calibrate the control stick Nintendo Switch to GCN controller. We're going to settings, system settings, and then we start with the calibration of the control sticks. We can now push it and it should be in the center of this cross. If it is drifted out or something else, or the dot is not in the center, you should perform a calibration by using the X button. Then you use the stick to navigate to the right, bottom, left, and upper direction. And after you perform this, you can release that. Then we turn clockwise, job done, calibrations completed. If you like to cancel this, go to default settings by using the Y button. That it is how to calibrate your sticks in case of sliding or something else. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.